Qatar, a small peninsula in the Persian Gulf, loaded with history, ancient trade routes and pearl diving. The harsh desert forged a resilient people. Tribes fished and traded, creating a rich cultural heritage. Independence arrived in 1971. The discovery of oil and gas changed everything, transforming Qatar into the powerhouse we see today. The pearl industry was Qatar's economic backbone. Divers braved the depths for precious gems. The discovery of oil in the 1940s changed everything. Qatar underwent rapid transformation. Skyscrapers rose from the sand. Leaders invested in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. True progress meant empowering the people. Today, Qatar is a global player in energy, diplomacy, and innovation. The spirit of resilience still burns bright. Qatar isn't just about oil and skyscrapers. It's a land of contrasts and surprises. It's a place where the old meets the new, where tradition and modernity coexist in harmony. Start with the Souk Waqif, a bustling marketplace that has stood the test of time. The aroma of spices fills the air, and vendors hawk their wares with enthusiasm. Next, visit the Museum of Islamic Art, a modern architectural marvel. It houses one of the world's finest collections of Islamic art, spanning centuries of history. For a taste of the desert, head to Khor al-Adaid, also known as the Inland Sea. Towering sand dunes plunge into azure waters, creating a breathtaking landscape. Visit the Pearl Qatar, an artificial island that epitomizes luxury and elegance. Stroll along the marina, soak up the vibrant atmosphere, and enjoy the stunning views. The soul of Qatar, a blend of tradition and modernity. This nation is a living tapestry where the past and the future coexist harmoniously. The Qatari people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Their genuine smiles and welcoming nature make visitors feel at home. Despite rapid modernization, they've held on to their cultural identity. Family is paramount, and gatherings are frequent and cherished. Respect for elders is deeply ingrained. The wisdom of the older generation is valued and passed down through stories and traditions. The traditional coffee ceremony, gawa, is a testament to hospitality. It's a ritual that brings people together, fostering community and connection. Islam plays a central role in Qatari society. The call to prayer echoes through the streets, reminding everyone of their faith and duties. During Ramadan, the country takes on a spiritual ambiance. The nights are filled with prayers, and the days with fasting and reflection. Qatar embraces modernity with open arms. Its skyline is dotted with futuristic architecture and high-tech infrastructure. Women in abayas work alongside men in suits. This collaboration symbolizes the balance between tradition and progress. It's this unique blend of old and new that makes Qatar fascinating. The juxtaposition of traditional markets and modern malls, ancient dhows and contemporary skylines, tells the story of a nation that honors its past while looking forward to the future. Qatar's tapestry, where cultures converge, weaving a rich and vibrant mosaic. Qatar is a melting pot of cultures, a place where traditions from around the globe blend seamlessly. People from all over the world come here to work and live, bringing their unique customs and traditions. This diversity is reflected in every aspect of Qatari society, from its workplaces to its schools. Walk down the streets of Doha, and you'll hear a symphony of languages, each adding to the city's unique charm. Foreigners have played a vital role in Qatar's development, contributing to its rapid growth and modernization. They've enriched the social fabric, creating a dynamic and inclusive community. This cultural exchange is a two-way street, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Qatar's story is still being written, with each new chapter adding to its rich history. Its commitment to progress and innovation will shape its future, ensuring it remains a beacon of cultural harmony and advancement.